So I'm Preeti Sabharwal, and I'm a leadership facilitator and coach. And in last 5 months, this is the third time I'm coming here on a testimonial night and sharing my experiences. On 24th February 2021, I had to go through an operational procedure. I was given full anesthesia, and that too because of fault by some gynecologist assistant. I had deep suffering for 3 months, and it was one of the worst period of my life. The kind of suffering, it was life threatening. And if any other woman, some doctor told me, if any other woman would have gone through what you have gone through for 3 months of your life, she would have died. I don't know how you survived. So it was that kind of life threatening thing. And then this procedure, and I was put on a synthetic progesterone. If you're aware, this is pregnancy hormone. So it was kind of artificial pregnancy. Because of that mistake that happened, the fault, my cervix, my uterus was ruptured, and there was so much infection during the operation. They had to freeze my cervix and uterus under minus 20 degrees, and it was 6 weeks rest. And after that, and before this phase, I was in my best shape and health, and I was a fitness freak. No, I used to work out rigorously. No, absolutely in the best of health. And after this, I just could not recover. And this happened on 24th February 2021. And in April, under COVID second wave, I had very bad COVID. 40% of my lungs were damaged. Okay, after all this trauma my body had gone through, I could not go to any gym or any wellness center for 2 years of my life. And I was regularly exercising for more than 24 years of my life before. Okay. A person like me could not even imagine not going to the gym or yoga, not doing any type of rigorous workout because my body didn't allow me to do that. I put on 8 kgs and I could not lose it. I did everything possible. And then, after all this, my joints had become very weak. I had severe pain in my knees, my back, now all that trauma that I'd gone through. After healing, for using it for around 3.5 months, I had the courage to join gym and yoga back. And in the beginning, I was going there, but I could not exercise properly. Then I thought I have Healy. So once before the workout, I had just half an hour before the workout. So I have to find a program, and I thought of running circulation program from fitness module. And I saw like tremendous improvement in the way I was working outside. It works now for sure. So I'm going to run one program every day before the workout. So I ran flexibility, I ran stamina, strength, circulation. And then after the workout, I have been using Maggie also now. I saw after exercise program, and there was so much body ache. Said, oh my God, I'm feeling exhausted. Not 3 days consecutive workouts. I should leave it. My body does not allow. Then just half an hour, I ran that program after exercise. Said, absolutely fine. Said, what is this? I had worked out properly and I'm not feeling that. There is some magic there. Now, see, if you understand what are the fitness parameters: flexibility, endurance, strength, and stamina. All these are programs, and not just not endurance, of course, but of course the effect is there for endurance also. I'm saying everything, I call it Har Marz Ki Hai Dawa, Healy. Now, for everything you can think of, Healy is the solution. Now, for my family, for my daughter, she had her exams, or for one particular subject, she just refused to study. She was not willing to study. Said, you have got an exam day after tomorrow. And I thought, let me just try using only Blue app. And she was not willing to sleep. She just wanted to study. This kind of magic I've experienced with. I said, please go to sleep. You don't have to study so much. It's okay. Just go to sleep. No, I'm going to study all night. Then I used it for like one back flare therapist, and she was going through a very difficult phase. Just Blue app. No, 2 hours I was giving her healing, and she said, how I'm feeling after this healing. I have not felt it for months before, even if she was a therapist herself. Then there was a lady who called me who was going through the best treatment by doctors, and she was feeling very weak. Just two programs I ran from Blue App, Aura Activation. First, I did her analysis. Then, second is back floor therapy. And my God, the kind of voice messages and the kind of messages she sent me, I am feeling absolutely normal. I felt that I had never fallen sick. This kind of message I received. You instill more faith in Healy when you get to see so much transformation around you. Now, Mag Healy, then one more thing, prosperity program. I have been an entrepreneur for last 10 years. So in last 1 decade, what I've experienced now business wise in just 1 month of prosperity program, I had not experienced in last 10 years. This kind of results that I've created for myself in my business, the kind of opportunities I'm attracting. Then I use the study program. I'm working on my 6th book now, and it is all possible because I have learning program, study program. You just run a program and you are at the right frequency. A publisher from Mumbai has given a go-ahead for my 6th book, and I'm super excited to release that book. I think it will take around 3 months, and it is all because of really all the miracles that are happening every single day. I can go on and on because the kind of life that I'm living after Healy. I look at myself before Healy and after Healy. It's like complete transformation at every level. Thanks to you, Lena. Thanks to Pushji for always being there. Thanks to Eugene who introduced me. Thanks to Marcus who has created such a miraculous product. Energy, frequency, and vibration. That's the lens through which I see everything in life. I could not imagine a product will come in the market, a device that will give you the right vibration for whatever you want to do, manifest, say. It's all possible because of Healy. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And I want to create more, contribute more, manifest more, and do whatever I wish to do because I have Healy now and Mag Healy.